Hey guys, today's Monday, June the 5th of 2023. I want to go over natural gas real quick to show you some key things to look for tomorrow. So without any further delay, let's get into it. As you can see, we're still in the mobile bands. The candles on the weekly are still positive, which is kind of chop fest right here. Once we break about 239, things are going to looking good because you're above the 20 weekly SMA. Looking at the daily, you're already above the 50 SMA. You got to deal with the 20, which is somewhere around 232. And also you got to deal with the cloud right here, which is a strong level of 231. The MACD just turned, gave us a buy signal. So that's looking good. Looks like maybe we're going to project and going higher. Market sentiment is looking good. It's projecting higher. And the volume in regards to the battle between the bulls and the bears, it looks like the bulls got it. Let's look at our market profile, and you can see that the VWAPs, we're still not above it. We're somewhere between 229 to 230. Once we get above there, we're going to hit support or get into the support area. Projections to the top using which I call measured move, is 271. Next one would be 279. The final one will be 319. So we have the weekly cycle that just bottomed out today, between today and tomorrow. And this cycle now, this weekly cycle, which is 141, continues up as of right now to October 14 of 2024. As you can see, commercial continue to unwind or hedge, while large speculators continue to buy, believing the probabilities of natural gas going higher are very strong. We all know the elephant in the room is the seasonality. It shows a dip between June and July, and then it starts going higher using the 20-year average. But think about this. If the weekly cycles are bottoming out, could it be that this is the low and that we're going to start trending higher? Okay, guys, so looking at our calendar, you can see that today was a down day, but prices went up. Although the weekday was saying that it was up, we're experimenting with all our trading days. So we'll see how tomorrow is going to play. Tomorrow says there's an update, and using our June 6 ellipse technique, it's a day where volatility could really increase. So if it's going to really start moving, chances are it could be going to the upside. But we have our weekday, which is down. And also our experiment is that if the algos are aware that statistically the trading days are up, let's see if they're going to reverse it and push it down. So we know that our up trading day is up. If algos are going to go reverse, let's see if they're going to take it down. So let's see what could possibly happen. We kissed this level right here, stalled, pulled back. Looks like we want to try to kiss it again. If we could close above that, then chances are that it's going to probably push higher. Targets to the upside is 244, 252, and the last one for this week is 260. If it's going to be a head fake with the algos, during that we know that chances are it's going to go up. They're going to push it lower. Targets to the downside is 213, 205, all the way to 198. I mean, that's extreme. But if we look at the daily, if we could stay above 225, that's good. But if it's going to push lower, 218, 215, all the way to 212. Those are the targets to the downside, assuming that the algos are going to go in reverse of the actual trading day. Now, on the positive side, this is a very interesting target on the monthly, which would be the 235. That's very reachable if we could start pushing higher. Looking at our square 9, we went as high as 231, 230, which lines up with the 268 high that we did a couple of days ago. If we're going to start trending higher, we need targets to the upside using the square 9 is 233. 238, which lines up with the 199 February low, and also 240, which lines up with the April 14, I believe it was a 14, I can't remember. I know it was an April low of 194. So these are the targets, 238, 240 to 241 to the upside. And if it really gets Momo, 249. But if they're going to flush us down, back to 225, 218, and then back to 211. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video. Tomorrow's my birthday, so in the comments, wish me a happy birthday. I'll continue posting my videos. I'll definitely do the pre-market on my birthday. And so send me some love, some comments, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.